Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish course. For today, we are going to learn about the alphabet. The alphabet in Spanish we call el alfabeto. So the first letter of the alphabet is A. A. So with each letter, I will give an example. For the letter A, the example is agua, agua. B, B, boca, boca. C, C, cena, cena. D, D, dedo, dedo. E, E, elefante, elefante. F, F, foto, foto. G, G, gafas, gafas. H, H, hola, hola. So here we have a special case that the letter H in Spanish it doesn't sound. For example, the word hola, we don't say hola, we say hola. The next is che, che. So here we have one more special case. When you see the letter C and the letter H stand next together, we call che, che. This letter is not in the official alphabet of Spanish anymore, but it used to be. For example, the word chico, chico. E, E, isla, isla. J, J, jefe, jefe. K, K, kilómetro, kilómetro. L, L, letra, letra. Elle, elle. So here there is one more special case that you can see double L. It means that this letter we call elle, elle. For example, for this letter is lluvia, lluvia. M, M, metro, metro. N, N, nieto, nieto. Ñ, Ñ, año, año. O, O, oveja, oveja. In this word, you can also say oveja or oveja. It is the same. P, P, pepino, pepino. Q, Q, queja, queja. R, R. Rosa, rosa. So here we got another special case that we can see double R. So in Spanish, when you see double R, you need to pronounce stronger. I mean like we pronounce R, R. Example of this letter is perro, perro. The next letter is S, S. Sol, sol. T, T. Televisión, televisión. U, U. Universidad, universidad. V, V. Visita, visita. W, W. Water, water. X, X. Xilófono, xilófono. Y, Y. Yogur, yogur. Z, Z. Zapatos, zapatos. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful for you. Gracias, adiós.